Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Inside Excel. Today we're gonna start a new journey. We will start to do some game development. Why I do this? Because in the past years I used to use Unity 3D to make a game. It is using the C# programming language, and to be honest, I don't like those stuffs. I mean, I don't like to drag those UI components that much. I was more like doing some coding. And here we go. Now we're gonna use the Unreal Engine. Okay, this engine uses C++ programming language, and this is a language that I just want to learn as my old dreams in the early age. Anyway, before we can get started with the Unreal Engine programming, we have to install that software first. So here we go. We can learn how to install Unreal Engine at our Linux machine. It is said first we have to register an Epic Games account. Okay, let's get into there. We have to log in first. Alright, it is ridiculous. I just forgot my password, so I'm gonna do a reset. Okay, now let's try to retype the password again. Okay, we are in. Now if I click the download, yes, I'm doing that. We'll say a page like this. I don't know where to go. Okay, we go to the personal area. Here we have a collections. We should connect this account to our GitHub account. To be honest, I don't know which one to use, but I think I'm a creator, so I choose the second one. Now we are connected to the GitHub, so what can we do next? By now you registered for an Epic Games account and linked it to our GitHub username. How to download it? Now you set up your GitHub on your Linux machine. You are ready to download the Unreal Engine source code from our GitHub site. Then we have to choose the release version, and probably we can download it or clone it. We'll say which method we would prefer. Okay, let's go to the stuff. Wait a minute, I didn't see anything from the. Okay, we can join the Epic organization, and after that we can say the Unreal Engine source code right in here, and we can choose the release version, the release branch, and we can download it. Let's download it. Okay, we're done. Now we can have a look at this. Now we can have a look at this file. The size of this file is 359 megabytes. It's not very big that I thought it would be. Okay, let's extracting this compressed file. And then we would say it's about 1.5 gigabytes. It's also not that big compared to the Unity 3D. Okay, now let's say how can we compile this stuff. According to its document, it says that we have to use .setup.sh. After running that, we're gonna run another one, generate project files. After that, we have to say make command. It seems like it's a normal C++ or C project that means we have to use make command to compile that software. Okay, let's do it. First, we run the setup script. It's gonna be a long time, so I'm gonna pause this video. Alright, here we go. This is a result that was being printed after I run the first commands setup.sh script. Then we have to run the generate project files script. It also seems like it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna pause this video now. Alright, then we have to run one command, make, and that should do it. Let's say make. Alright, it seems like we have finished all those compiling process. This is how it looks like for now. What I'm gonna do here is to try to launch the user interface. So how can we do that? First we have to go to the engine batteries analytics. I was kind of wondering if the Windows folder has a file. Oh my god, it has a file. Unbelievable. I thought that it will only build the Linux version of the Unreal Engine, but it seems like it just combined all those planned for. It's not a smart thing as I thought, because it's time wasting for compiling. Okay, now let's go to the Linux folder and execute UE4 editor, and let's say what will happen. Okay, here we go. There's a window popped up, and we can say that it's in an initializing process, and it's kind of slow. Okay, I guess for now all I have to do is wait for this process to be finished. While the loading process is still going on, I did a check at the storage, how many storage I have used for the Unreal Engine, and it turns out it takes 779 gigabytes. I must say it's definitely bigger than the Unity 3D game engine. Okay, here we go. Everything just loaded, and here's the Unreal Project browser. Select or create a new project. Okay, this UI seems a little bit old. Yeah, it's a little bit old compared to the United 3D. Oh, it's still in compiling. The shaders. Why he wanna do that? I don't know. Here we can choose different projects. We can create a game, or we can create a file. Oh my god, we can create a file. And we can also create architectures, engineering, or automotive product design and manufacturing. It's a lot of things that we could do. Okay, now I'll just choose a game and click the next. Here's a template. We can create a first-person game, or a flying game, or a puzzle, or rolling, or third-person, or top-down view. Anyway, there are a lot of things we can do. For example, the hand here, the AR, side controller, 2D side controller, vehicles, virtual reality, vertical advanced. Okay, there are a lot of things that we could do, but for now I just choose the simplest one. For example, the flying template. Let's click the let's just click the next button and say what would happen. Here we can say the blueprint, the desktop, and the console. Alright, choose whether to create a blueprint or C++ project. Let's say C++ project, that's what we want. Then choose the closest equivalent target per planet. Okay, we will just do this for the desktop. That would be choose the performance characteristics of your project. Okay, we'll just there's not so many, performance stuff there. Scalable 3D or 2D. Enable to include an additional contents of parking. Okay, whatever you choose if real-time whatever should be enabled. No, disabled. Now we can choose the place where we want to put the project in. Okay, that would be, and we can collect the create project. It's kind of weird. The game engine, the Unreal game engine, doesn't show me any user interface, any GUI. Instead, he just give me a folder. That's kind of weird. Maybe the reason he do this is that he wants us to run this game, or first we have to compile this game by ourselves, then we have to run this game by ourselves. Wait a minute. Why there we got the CS file, C# file? It's not real. Do it. Okay, here we got the CPP file. Maybe we can, open it and give it a look at. There we go. It's something like this. That's kind of weird. I don't know how to, modify this stuff or run or compile it. It's totally nonsense. Okay, that's it. That's today's tutorial of how to compile and run Unreal game engine at the Linux platform. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.